Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The GMC DALA featured in this stunning 8K studio shot build is a true beast of futuristic design and rugged power. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the truck screams dominance, style, and utility all at once. The body has been meticulously modified with a wide-body kit that gives it a muscular stance and a bolder road presence. Painted in a vibrant mad red finish, it is complemented beautifully with black accents and yellow highlights around the front bumper, making it stand out in any setting. The aggressive front grille is paired with ultra-sharp LED headlights and dynamic DRLs that provide both style and visibility. The custom front bumper houses sleek integrated LED light bars, giving the vehicle a modern edge, especially in low light or off-road conditions. Sitting on oversized off-road tires with deep tread and paired with sporty alloy wheels, the DALA not only looks tough but is clearly built for high performance on rough terrain. The side profile reveals tinted black windows that add privacy and attitude, while the raised ground clearance and lifted suspension hint at the truck's off-road capability. The truck bed is inspired by the design of the Vigo, but enhanced in a way that gives the DALA a more luxurious yet practical finish. It's not just an upgrade in style, it's a complete transformation meant for both off-road adventures and urban domination. From the rear, you notice the custom tailgate design, angular LED taillights, and a bold bumper that ties the whole look together. Every detail in this build has been carefully thought out, from the body lines to the subtle highlights, to give it a futuristic personality while staying true to the strength of the GMC brand. Captured under modern studio lighting, with hyper-realistic reflections and Ultra HD clarity, this GMC DALA redefines what a pickup truck can be. It's a perfect blend of luxury aesthetics and rugged capability, a vehicle built for those who want the best of both worlds. If you love this build and want to see more insane custom vehicles like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive creativity and high-quality car showcases.